How's it going, guys? This is Twister, and today I'm bringing you guys a garage slash car collection update, which is kind of like I guess a follow-on to the last one I did, which was quite a while back. So I have made some quite significant changes since, and I basically just wanted to show you my garage because in my opinion it's one of the best looking garages I've seen, and you're gonna see why. So let's get into the cars now. As you see, I've got it's kind of a bright colour scheme going on, but it's also subtle at the same time, and that's because I've used some pearlescence to good effect. Now we'll start at the front. A few of these obviously you'll recognise because I had some of these in the last video, but I have made some change, so I wanted to get this video out. So we have the Akuma on this one. In fact, on all of my cars, the base colour on all of them is metallic midnight blue, but there's a different pearlescent on each that matches up to another car. So I've got two hot pinks, which are these two. I've got two race yellow pearlescents, two ultra blue pearlescent, two lime green pearlescents, and two red pearlescents. So we'll start at the front, and we have the Akuma, which is the hot pink pearlescent. Really awesome bike, definitely the best bike on the game. And then we have the Bifter, which obviously this came out in the Beach Bum DLC, and I got that straight away and fully modded it out. So yeah, these are the two hot pinks. Moving on to the Phoenix, by far my favourite muscle car in the game, just because of its customization options. We've got sick exhaust, got the high wing, got the bug catcher, got some really nice chrome stripes down the middle, which is awesome. And then we have the Monroe, which is probably the best sports classic car in the game. Awesome for racing. It doesn't have too many customization options to make it a really cool, unique car, but I just think it looks fantastic with this race yellow pearlescent. Here we have the Entity XF, definitely the fastest car in the game. And look at that, like electric green lime pearlescent. It just looks so good once you get that right angle, and the wheels all look awesome. Yeah, definitely by far the best car for racing. I honestly beats the Adder all day long in my opinion. It's got better customization options, and I feel that it's better on the track. Now we have the Classe Tornado. This is more of a swaggy cruising car, which I did explain in my last video, but we have changed this to a nice it's a red pearlescent. We've also opted for the triple short exhaust at the front, so that looks really cool. Got the bumpers all chromed out and everything, which looks awesome. So yeah, that is definitely one of my favourite cars just for the looks. Now we have the Feltzer, definitely one of the most loudest, most outrageous cars in the game, definitely due to that huge spoiler we got going on the back, the body kit as well. Got some headlight covers, basically just the bumpers, the body kits, the spoiler just makes this thing such a beast, and it is a beast on the track as well. We've got some really sharp braking, got some awesome traction, and it performs really well. Next up we have the Sand King, which is actually in the off-road category, which I think is more of a shame. I prefer this to be in the SUV category, and then it can compete a lot more with the SUV car types in races. I need to like zoom out and get this whole thing in shot. Look at it, it's an absolute monster. We've opted for lime green this time. Got some lime green SUV wheels. The chromed out bumper I think looks so sick, and the chromed out like bottom layer going all around the sides I think looks sick. We've got the fuel gas canisters on the bottom as well, on the sides of the car, which looks awesome. Next up we have the Carrying Food, so again going for that race yellow, which I think once again looks fantastic on this car. Race yellow on this game definitely does suit a lot of cars when used as a pearlescent. Also gone for the chrome. It's got like a similar chrome layout to the Sand King, obviously on the bottom layer of the car. Got the drift spoiler, got the Shakotan exhaust. Basically this car is an awesome drifting car. I think it takes after the Toyota AE86 or something. I'm not too good with cars, but this one is a really fun drifting car. And finally we do have the Super Diamond, which is again one of the more classy cars in the game. It actually comes under the category of sedan, and basically it's just to show off your wealth and class in this game, which I just think is really nice. This car does go really well with the new Valentine's Day Massacre DLC. As you can see, my character is all kitted out, suited and booted, looking really fine. So yeah, that is really awesome. Also with this video, I really want to see your guys' response. You know, if you guys can upload videos to YouTube, definitely show me your guys' garage, because I really want to. I'm really keen to see what cars you guys are rocking in your garage, and that should be awesome. See if you can compete with some of the vehicles I've got in here. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Excuse me, for this video. As you can see, I kind of went for a variety of different cars, which I do like to see, not just the same type of cars over and over again. But hopefully you guys can post up your video responses. Let me know in the comments below what is your favourite car in the game and your favourite car in my garage. And with that being said, I'll hopefully see you all in my next video. See you later, guys.